Welcome to our comprehensive guide on starting a pressure washing business in Australia. Whether you're a local or on a temporary visa, this venture can be both rewarding and profitable. First, let's talk about the startup costs. The initial investment for a pressure washing business can range from 2,500 to 7,500 Australian dollars. This includes essential equipment like pressure washers. Electric models are more affordable, ranging from $500 to $1,200, while petrol models, which offer higher pressure, cost between $1,500 and $3,500. Don't forget about additional gear, such as surface cleaners, hoses, nozzles, and spare parts, adding another $500 to $1,100. Transport is another key consideration. You'll need a reliable vehicle, like a van or ute, to move your equipment. You can either purchase a vehicle, costing anywhere from $5,000 to $25,000, or opt for a lease at $500 to $1,200 per month. Next up, business registration and licensing. Obtaining an Australian business number is free, but you'll need to budget for business name registration, which costs between $39 and $82 for 1 to 3 years. Local permits or licenses may also be required, costing between $100 and $500. Insurance is crucial. Public liability insurance will protect your business and is typically priced between $500 and $1,500 annually. Marketing your business effectively is vital to success. Setting up a basic website can cost between $500 and $2,000, while business cards and flyers might add another $100 to $300. Consider online advertising as well, with costs ranging from $50 to $300 per month. Now, let's explore the earning potential. As a self-employed pressure washing business owner, you can earn between $3,000 and $4,500 per week. Residential jobs usually pay between $350 and $500, whereas commercial projects can bring in anywhere from $500 to $3,000. So how do you find these jobs? Platforms like Airtasker are excellent for small tasks, although they do charge a service fee of 15 to 20%. For larger residential and commercial projects, consider using Bark, OneFlare, HighPages, and Service Seeking. These platforms connect you directly with clients in need of your services. What makes this business particularly appealing? The startup costs are relatively low, and you don't need extensive technical expertise. Plus, there's a constant demand for residential, commercial, and industrial cleaning. You also have the flexibility to operate part-time or full-time, aligning with your schedule and visa conditions. In conclusion, starting a pressure washing business in Australia is an accessible opportunity with significant earning potential. With the right preparation and dedication, you can turn this into a thriving venture. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your entrepreneurial journey.